Method K is learning,
64.
Okay.
64.
64. To the back.
research and education for students,
You want to sit down and try?
Okay, yes. So, basically, I'm at,
community,
social and cultural attitude.
giving back. Method K Learning Design is designing the path to better learning. Method K Learning Design was built to support students by identifying gaps, strengthening foundations, and promoting student accountability. And this is by guiding students through the learning process with an unmatched ethic of care. Method K desires to help students become strong, resilient, independent learners, ready to take on the responsibility of their own education. Method K supports student learning through research-informed teaching and learning strategies and carefully built accountability and tracking systems. This can include guides, videos, and resources developed and created for students, post-session follow-up notes and check-ins, and taking full advantage of a hybrid approach. There is benefits to both virtual and in-person sessions. Additionally, we create progress dashboards for our students if they are SAT students or they have other important milestones that they would like to track in a more formal setting. Method K was formed from a passion for continued learning, education, and research, and is supported by a background in data science and information systems, as well as youth-oriented community planning and programming. Method K mainly works with middle school and high school, specializing in math and other STEM, such as chemistry and computer science, and SAT prep and academic coaching. Apply to work with Method K, the tutor that continuously prioritizes helping students discover how they best learn. Method K, designing the pathway to better learning.